Okay.
Okay. So I was saying, is there any particular area that you face problem that you need to improve on or work on?
No, ma'am, I don't find any specific area where I need to improve myself. I just want a hike in my speaking. That's it.
Okay, great, great, great. So did you get a chance to go through the session document for today?
Yeah. Yes, I've seen it.
Okay, it's an interesting topic. What do you think?
Yeah, it's an interesting topic. Definitely, it is.
Okay. So, okay, since you've read it, so let's say
Your
you did
video is
face,
called again.
never mind, as long as you can hear me, let's continue.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I was saying, okay, let's say you did find that bag of 1 crore rupees. What would your first reaction be?
There is a question in my mind actually about this question, about this situation, whether the bag is open or is it closed. It's
Interesting.
better.
Interesting. Okay, let's say see, if the bag was closed, you would not know it had 1 crore rupees until you open it.
Yeah.
Correct? But our situation says that you found a bag that had 1 crore rupees in it and a note with blood on it that says don't. So let's assume obviously that the bag is open.
Okay. Then definitely, if I find the same note there that says you don't, definitely there must be something dangerous with the bag. So I won't go for the bag. I would just run away from as far as I can.
Okay, okay. So
Because
would you
already
notify
it's
the
kind of
authorities?
warning. Yeah, it's already signed you. It's already warning you that don't. It means there must be something dangerous. So it's tempting. 1 crore rupees is not a small amount. Definitely, it would be tempting for me. I would like to
Uh,
go for it, but still there is a warning. Then going for the bag will be a foolish thing, I think.
okay, then what would you do next? As you said, you would run away from there, but like, would you forget the incident or will you tell the authorities about finding this bag and this blood written note?
Yeah, ma'am. I would like to inform the police definitely. I would tell them that there is something like that in the forest so that they can like overcome the bag and they so that nobody else find that and it may not harm someone. Definitely, I would like to inform them, but I won't tell my family about it because my family
Yeah.
is over possessed.
But okay, one more interesting thing that could happen is, let's say you tell the authorities and they ask you to go with them to point out that place. And when you go, the bag is not there.
Oh, that would be a crazy situation. They would ask me, they would question me where the bag is definitely. They would ask me the question.
Correct.
But I would try to make them understand that the bag was here. But still, like, it was impossible. It was difficult to make them understand that the bag was there because if the bag had been picked from there, definitely there would not be any sign. I could make them trust me. So, yeah, it would be a difficult situation for me as well.
Yeah, I mean, the situation is becoming more and more bizarre only, but that
Yeah.
puts you in harm, that puts you in some kind of danger also, because how do you know the police is going to trust you?
That's what I'm telling you, but it's my duty. Like, I would like to fulfill my duty. I would like to tell them. It's up to them whether they trust me or not, because this is also pointless. Somebody goes to police and they take them to the forest and they tell them that there was a bag. This is also pointless for a common person. I think they are not gonna go to police to make a story. There is no point to make a story.
No, but what if the police says that, you took the bag and now you're just informing us? How are you going to prove that?
So I would question them, if I would have taken the bag, why would I inform you? Simply, I would keep
Hmm.
the bag with me. Why would I inform you? Because they are not going to know that I have picked the bag. They didn't know about the bag. Definitely, that I would also question them.
Okay, but considering, typically how our whole jurisdiction system is, judiciary is, there is more chances that you might fall in more danger.
Just that danger would not be that much big. I think if I inform them, I may face some problems informing them, but it may save someone else's life. If somebody else find that bag and they take them with them, it may harm them. So better than that situation. I may face these little, these things that going to court and to answer them some questions. So that would be better, I think.
And would you click any pictures like before running from that place? Would you click a picture or something, maybe just as a proof?
If I had a phone, if I had a phone or camera, definitely I would like to click. I would like to keep some evidence with me to prove myself.
Yeah, but I what I would do, of course, take a picture so that there is proof, and then make an anonymous call, not knowing, not letting the police know my identity, because in situations like these, it is more likely that the person who's informing gets into more trouble. So I would make an anonymous call, like a tip, that there is so and so bag and with such a note like that, so the police can go and check, and they would not know whether who made that call.
Ma'am, I don't think that so that it's gonna help you, because somehow they're gonna find you that who has called about the kind of fact. They're gonna find anyway.
Yeah, that's for them to decide how they want to pursue the case. But yeah, it is an interesting situation, no?
It would be, but I don't think so that it would be so helpful, because they're gonna find you anyway.
But this whole, the situation of finding a bag that has 1 crore rupees, obviously the temptation to
It's
take the
tempting,
bag,
yeah.
but
I told you earlier that definitely it's tempting, because 1 crore rupees is not a small amount. You can fulfill your dreams with that money,
yeah.
but still your
But
life is
okay,
more
so
important
if
than.
if the note wasn't there, then you would have picked it up.
No, then why? What would I do with the empty bag?
No, no. If the money was there, but the note wasn't there, like you did not pick it up because of the note that said "don't."
Okay, definitely I may pick that.
Okay. So the whole, I mean, what stopped you from picking that bag was that
That
note
note.
that had blood on it and that said "don't."
Yeah, definitely. Because some that is signing you already that don't, it means it's dangerous. And if you are going for that, it means you are. So
Hmm. You could be the
yeah.
next target. When I was going through the obsession document, I was just thinking that this could make such a good story for a thriller, no?
Yeah. Yeah. That's a nice topic actually.
Yeah, I mean, just imagine this bag passing around, and whoever is tempted enough to take the money ends up dying, and then the same note is there for the next person to find. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. It will be like a serial killing, no?
Yeah, actually, I mean, maybe for somebody to prove that money is so important for anyone.
Yeah. It is actually. In our society, it's really like very hard without living without money, because we know that there are so many poor people around us which are helpless and underprivileged. So it's really like for a poor person it may be tempting, because they consider money like more important than their life, because they have to take care of their family and they have nothing to help them. So in that
Correct, correct,
situation,
correct.
if somebody is poor, because I have seen so many cases, I have heard like where people sacrifice their life for their family.
Yes. Yeah, I mean, of course, money is important for our livelihood. Money is important to just survive in this world. But to commit a crime in order to get money, I really don't know. I mean, I don't know, it requires a lot of
Ma'am,
lack of morals.
I think no, it's not lack of moral, but I think when you see your family suffering, I think crime and law, these things doesn't matter. When you see your people are suffering, these things doesn't matter. I think if you see your family, like what do you think about coal mines where people they sacrifice their life? Do you know that like somebody who is working in coal mines, it's very dangerous for them, but still they work there for their family. They know that they end
Yeah,
up
but
with
then,
the disease
that
and
applies to so many other jobs. For example, people who go in the armed forces, there may be a war, there may be casualty, but still there are so many families that have people who are in the army or in the armed
but
forces,
ma'am,
so that
working
applies.
in, yeah, working in army and working in a coal mine is totally different, because We respect our soldiers, but people who are laborer, who are working in in coal mines, we do not even respect them. We do not even consider them as a human. People humiliate them. People insult them. Even the owner of the mine humiliate and insults them.
Hmm.
But we have respect for our soldiers.
Yeah, I mean, that's debatable because when it comes to the whole propaganda of showing respect, then everybody says, yeah, we respect soldiers. But how many people actually, on a daily life, how many people have you seen giving seats to a soldier or to a soldier's family, or maybe doing anything special for a soldier or special soldier's family? It is only when it comes to the social propaganda, oh, we respect our soldiers. How
Yeah.
many of us
Yes.
actually thank them on a daily
Actually.
basis?
Hmm.
You see a soldier, how many of us actually go and say thank you?
It happens barely, even in buses and in public transport also. People barely do that. I think they just
That's what I'm
think that
saying. So
and they
if
show
if
that.
actually we did have respect for the soldiers, the biggest form of showing that respect would be in these little things.
Yeah, we our society is like that. Even we are including like that. I'm not saying that
That's what I'm
I'm
saying.
something special. Yeah.
So I mean, it's as I said, it's a debatable thing that we have respect for soldiers. We don't. It's just to write on 25th August, 26th January and 15th August. We respect
On
our
special
soldiers. It's just
occasions
for that.
when somebody dies, and we have
Yeah,
candles
yeah, yeah.
and we show everything, and after 2 or 3 days, nobody knows where that case has gone. Nobody even considered, though nobody remembers that. Yeah, these things
Exactly.
happen. Is there anyone in your family who is in army?
Maybe some distant relatives, and my sister's father-in-law actually was in the. He's retired now.
In my family, my father, my Nana ji, and my maternal uncle all were in
Oh,
army.
wow.
Yeah,
Yeah,
my father was
but
also an army officer. Now he is retired, but yeah, he was
hmm,
in army.
correct. But that's again debatable. You are from that family, so you think there is a lot of respect, etc. But in general, how many people have shown you that kind of respect? They've done anything special for you or your family?
It barely
Or
happens. Yeah.
yeah, interesting talk. Yeah, I was just thinking this session should have been longer because 15 minutes have quickly gone by.
Okay.
Yeah, because you
Okay.
are an interesting speaker, because you know what to talk about. Also in terms of English, I haven't noticed any noticeable mistake, and we were very we were able to speak about this topic, the bizarre incident. That was the topic for today, and then we
Topic
shifted to
becomes
this whole.
interesting, ma'am. Topic becomes interesting. Every topic can become interesting if you are connected with the speaker and you feel some level connection, and means that matters a lot. If you feel that she is a tutor and I'm a learner here, so it may create a distance between two of you. So in my each and every lesson, my session, I always try to connect with my tutor.
That's a
I
good
share
thing. That's a
whatever
good
there
thing.
in my mind. I always would like to share that.
Correct, because it's not a class. So this is something good that you do, because your purpose is
Yeah,
to
you're
be a
giving me
better
salt
communicator.
again.